I can't believe the once richest man in the world just gambled his entire empire on this one company, and he has just 3 days to pull it off, or he loses everything. This is by far the biggest all-in bets in the last few years. I'll break down this insane story, so make sure to watch till the end. So Masayoshi Son, the CEO of SoftBank, promised OpenAI $40 billion back in April when the company was valued at around $300 billion. The deal had conditions though. OpenAI had to convert to a for-profit structure by year-end. They did that already in October. And Masayoshi also delivered $17.5 billion earlier this year. But getting the rest of the money is proving way harder than he expected. Now the clock is ticking and the remaining $22.5 billion must arrive by December 31st or the whole deal breaks. This is important because OpenAI's valuation has tripled since they signed the deal. The moves Masayoshi is making to raise that cash are absolutely wild. He dumped SoftBank's entire $5.8 billion position in Nvidia. Nvidia, the best performing AI stock on the planet. He sold $4.8 billion worth of T-Mobile shares, slashed staff across the company and shut down the Vision Fund. Any deal now over $50 million now requires his personal approval, but it still wasn't enough cash. So he went to the debt markets and took out loans backed by ARM holding stock. If that stock drops, those loans get called out and the whole thing unravels. And the risk gets even crazier because though OpenAI shares have tripled over 8 months, they have no idea how to turn profitable. In fact, they're literally projected to lose $74 billion by 2028. And Altman's long-term vision is even more expensive. He wants to build 30 gigawatts of AI compute capacity, which costs $1.4 trillion. The math just doesn't math. The business model doesn't work. The capital requirements are impossible, but Masayoshi is betting everything anyway. Why would he do this? Because if it works, he owns the future. If OpenAI becomes the infrastructure layer for the next 20 years of compute, that $22.5 billion turns into trillions. SoftBank becomes the kingmaker of AI, and Masayoshi becomes the most powerful investor in history. But if he fails, the entire empire could face collapse. Do you think this is the greatest venture bet in history or the most reckless financial engineering since the Lehman Brothers? Let me know in the comments.